how your data is accessible from anywhere, anytime. How do companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft store massive amounts of information without using physical storage at your end? The answer is cloud computing. In this video, we'll simplify cloud computing for beginners. So, stick around till the end. Before the cloud, businesses and individuals relied on physical servers or personal computers to store data and run applications. But cloud computing changed the game. So how does cloud computing actually work? Let's break it down. Data centers. Cloud providers have massive data centers worldwide, full of powerful computers. Internet connection. When you access cloud services, your request is sent over the internet to these servers. Virtualization. The cloud uses virtualization to divide physical servers into multiple virtual servers, optimizing resources efficiently. On-demand access. Users can scale up or down their usage anytime without managing hardware. Cloud computing is categorized into three main types based on accessibility and deployment. Public cloud. Services are available to anyone over the internet. Example, Google Drive, Dropbox. Private cloud. Used exclusively by one organization. Example, banks, government agencies. Hybrid cloud. A mix of both, allowing data and applications to be shared between public and private clouds. Cloud services are also divided into three models based on usage. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, provides virtual machines, storage, and networking. Example, AWS EC2, Google Compute Engine. PaaS, Platform as a Service, offers a platform for developers to build applications. Example, Google App Engine, AWS Lambda. SaaS, Software as a Service, fully managed applications you use online. Example, Gmail, Netflix, Microsoft Office 365. Why is cloud computing so popular? Here are some key benefits. Cost efficiency, no need to invest in expensive hardware. Scalability, easily increase or decrease resources. Security, data encryption and multi-layer security. Accessibility, access your data from anywhere in the world. Disaster recovery, data is backed up and protected. And that's how cloud computing works. It's an essential technology driving businesses and personal tech experiences today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.